Alright guys, here we go. This is from eBay 326. eBay mini pick a team. You guys bid your teams, won your teams. Make sure you guys pay on time. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oops. Fix this. Okay. Cards for you, Bengals, Ant Fran, Giants, Boha Vikings, Berkshire the Redskins, Chief Keef Niners, Cobalt Patriots, Darren Lewis Broncos, Keith Cards Chargers, Chief Keef is this you? Kevin Parada Cardinals, Panthers, Texans, Kyle Griffin Saints Eagles, Lance Browns, Elbeck Lance Browns, Lil Buzzy Bears, Matty Jess Titans, Carlos, Bucks Falcons Ravens Boys Lions Yags Rams Dolphins, Somchip Bills Colts, Travis 99 Chiefs Raiders Steelers Seahawks, and Ty High 351 Packers and Jets. Okay. All right, looks good. Very good, very good. Alright, should be good to go there. 2 divisions left, guys. On the premium mini. Alright, let's get it on. Sealed up, sealed up, sealed up. See what we got. eBay mini. 326. Let's get it on. Oh, nice. For the Washington football team, Redskins Commanders, Terry McLaurin. Nice. WO8056. That is a very nice helmet. That is a cool looking helmet. Alternate. Scary Terry for your Washington Commanders football Redskins team. I don't know. Usually they're a pretty cheap team. I think they sold, yeah. BRR Bersha 64. $26. Alright, very nice. Scary Terry. Scary Terry mini helmet. Looking good. Thank you, thank you. Fridays and Sunday, guys. Check them out. Check out the listings. The links are down below in the description. Stay tuned. More breaks coming up.